Thanks. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you're joining from. How are you doing today? Thank you. Shine upon me. Yeah. So what's up with you? Tell me where you're joining from. Good afternoon. Good evening. What's up with you? Where are you joining from? Tell me. And our Muslim brethren, congratulations, happy celebration. Happy celebration. Happy celebration. Apollos, thank you. Good afternoon. Apollos says, when you join, drop a like. Thank you so much. Good to have you on today, guys. Great time we're going to be having today. How are you doing? How is your trading going? How many trades have you picked this week? Toby Abraham, good afternoon, coach. Good afternoon, my brother. How is your trading going? Tell me, let me know how your trading going this week. Let me also post that we are live on the group. How many trades have you picked this week? We are live. Good. MoneyGram said, good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, my brother. Christopher Aibe, how are you doing? Mr. Christopher, good afternoon, sir. Toby Abraham says, I joined your NZD USD trade yesterday. Whoa, fantastic. I am rolling in massive profit now. Wow, congratulations. Congratulations. I'm excited. There's a lot of profit we are expecting on NZD, a lot of profit. We'll be looking at exits about 80-20. That's about 200 and something using the weekly zone. It's just too much profit to watch out for on NZD USD. Okay, Apollo said no trade yet. Fine. Joe Grace, how are you doing? Good afternoon. Hey, Chairman Yura, good afternoon. I greet you, sir. I greet you. By the way, I'll be in Port Harcourt, I think in September or October. I think I'll be in Port Harcourt for about a week. I'll trust to see you when I come. Apostle Mayowa, good afternoon. I missed the trade yesterday. Hope the trade signal will be on today. Yeah. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Ibukun. Victor, how are you doing, sir? Great. So, Moit Stephen, good to have you. Where are you joining from? Tell me where you're joining from before we go live on the chat. Tell me where you're joining from. Nelson Okote, good to have you, Nelson. Good afternoon, sir. Tell me where you're joining from. Tell me your location. Tell me your location. Oluwaseun says, I'm joining from Ibadan. Oh, good to have you. Toby says, joining from Port Harcourt. Oh, really? Toby Abraham. Yeah, I'll be in Port Harcourt, I think in September. It's going to be a 1 week, a particular Forex company is hosting me for a week. We'll be there. Victoria joining from Lagos. Fantastic. Ikechukwu from Imo. MoneyGram is joining from Cameroon. Wow, that's good. Good afternoon, Coach Oluwafemi from Ibadan. Thank you. Hey, Joe Grace says, I'm fine. Greetings to everyone. I'm watching from Abu Dhabi, UAE. Good to have you. Bright Chika from Port Harcourt. Christopher from Lagos. Stephen from Lagos. Okpemipo Amusan from Lagos. Michael Matthew, good to see you, Mr. Mayowa, joining from Kaduna. Yeah, it's Kaduna. Kaduna is a good place. I was there in 2019. I was in Kaduna. I went from Kaduna to Jos. I was in Kaduna. I was in Jos. I was about going to Kano before I decided to come back home. I was away. I think I was in Kaduna for about a week or 2 weeks in Kaduna. Okay, great. So tell me, where do you want us to start today? So let's start from our bias for the week. Oluwatobi Malaolu, good to have you. Let's start from the week. Says, let's start from index. Who will deliver us from this JPY move? Who will? If you go by the index, who will deliver us? This guy still has a long way to go. So if you go by the rules of engagement, a lot of buying is still on. Till the market gets here, and at that zone, we'll be taking a decision. Either the sell will continue or not. But right now, JPY is still weak. So no matter how much you feel like buying and selling JPY pairs, you need to honor what this guy is saying. So there could be a potential reversal from here that can take us to the top. The same thing that happened here that took it to the top. There could be a potential reversal from here to the top. But there's still a lot Naomi. There's a lot. Before you get there or after, before you leave there. Okay. Right now, JPY is JPY honored this zone. I think I spoke about this zone earlier this year. Okay. So from that zone, it's been ruling the affairs. So it's still selling right now. So don't buy. Don't sell any JPY pair. If you do, that means that you have extra life. Okay, I told you guys that before. GBP is still stocked in this flip zone. I feel that this guy has broken this zone and he needs to find his way to the top. But right now, he's retracing because USD is weak. It's strong, sorry. So, and if USD is strong, it's going to take some time. It's going to take some time. At least it will sell till next week. So any GBP, look, don't sell on GBP AUD peso because those ones are weak. So I'll be waiting for it. So sell. My bias is sell. GBP is weak. DXY is doing some turning right there. Euro is weak. Euro is on the flip zone. Euro is on the flip zone. So Euro is weak. NZD, weak, our weakest. I picked the sell. It's dropping. And that's the sell I dropped in the group for you guys. So I still feel there's no other bias than to keep selling right now. AUD is weak. AUD is weak. So keep selling. Keep selling. Chef is ranging. Chef is ranging. And CAD is bullish. CAD is bullish. But right now, CAD is stuck here on this. So CAD is stuck here. So what I expect CAD to do, let's go to Monday and see what this guy is doing. Good. So you just need a retracement for CAD. CAD is still very strong, and I feel this sell could take us till the end of December. This CAD buy could take us to the end of December. So I feel Euro CAD sell, N CAD sell, G CAD sell, all of these things will keep selling. Okay? Is that clear from the index view? Are they where? Please, I'm a newbie interested in Forex. Okay, you need a mentor. The mentor should give you, what are you to learn from the mentor? Strategy, psychology, trade management, and risk management. Those are the 4 things you have to learn from a mentor. You need a mentor Okay, pay for mentorship, and if you cannot afford mentorship, you have to learn on YouTube. Mayomi Onowa just says, you have not been to Warri. No, I've been to Warri. I was in Warri in 2001. No, I was in Warri. Yeah, I was in Warri in 2019. 2019, 2020, I was in Warri. I was in Warri. From there, I went to Benin. I was in Warri for 4 days, if I can remember. So Adewale, that's where you need to start from. You need a mentor who can teach you. If you can't afford a mentor, learn from YouTube, or don't keep learning. The only difference between a mentor and YouTube is you will have an arranged training. That's the difference. And you have somebody you are accountable to. Non-commercials are buying GBP. Yeah, if non-commercials are buying GBP, that's not what we trade. You have to also put it with market structure. Hey Muka, boss, I greet you. My greetings to you. Yeah, I greet you, my brother. So what pair should we start with today? Tell me. What pair? NZD is extremely weak. AUD is extremely weak. So if there's anything you're to trade, you trade against them. Toby Abraham says, sir, news just came out, but there wasn't any statistics released. Neither was the news moving the market. What could be the reason, sir? The reason is because the data doesn't have volume. Abi, is that what you say? The data does not have volume, or the data does not have. Yeah, that's what it means basically. So if the data does not have the volume, there's nothing to do. Is that clear? So does that make sense? Needs. Yeah. What matter always is your market structure. That's why I always tell you it is data, fundamental, all of those things with market structure and your strategy. That's what you need. CADJPY. Somebody said we should work on CADJPY. Apollo said Euro USD. Steven said will AUD USD will sell till. What do you mean by will sell till? What do you mean? USD JPY. USD JPY is buy. Yeah, buy. Gospel to the world says gold. Gold is selling. Gold will keep selling. Gold is selling. Gold will keep selling. Gold will sell. Gold will keep selling. Yeah. Are we learning, guys? Yeah, give yourself time, okay? I know you want to make money, but guys, give yourself some quality time. Give yourself quality time. Give yourself quality time. So gold, what would sort gold? Would do GU. Chime Oluchi, I super celebrate you, coach. I celebrate you, Chime. Thank you. Cyril says, good afternoon, sir. Happy to join you again. Please check out NU. Yeah, what can you see on NU? Sir, based on the COT report, GBP is sir, based on the COT report, Gabriel Chilba, is GBP strong or weak? Long term, GBP is strong. Short term, GBP is strong. So that's why when you're trading, you need more than more than just saying you are trading this COT report. But right now, the index is telling us that GBP is weak. Your market structure is also telling us that GBP is weak because of the reversal. Okay, you know that the COT report does not cover reversal, Gabriel. A lot of you that GBP it doesn't cover reversal, and if it doesn't cover reversal, there's nothing we can do about it. So we have to use our rules of engagement to trade that. Is it making sense now? Fantastic. Yes. Please always note that when you're using COT report, your market structure must be in shape so that you are not just buying, because GBP naturally is buying right now. But the rule is telling us not to. The market structure is telling us that it's on a reversal. And if it's on a reversal, there's nothing we can do because it's on a reversal. It's on a reversal, guys. It's on a reversal. Is it making sense right now? Great. Yeah, it's selling because of reversal now. Gabriel, do you understand? It's selling because of the reversal. That's what I'm saying. That is on reversal does not mean that it will not sell. Yeah. Very important. So that is why market structure is 100%. Market structure is 100%. It's not about your feeling. Market structure must be there. So if you don't honor market structure and you are trading index or any of those pattern of trading, you'll be having issues. You'll be having issues. So I don't trade. That's why I have access to data. I don't trade any of the rules until it's in alignment with the data. Can we go further? So let's start with gold. Let's start with gold. I'm setting up an entry on a trade. I'm waiting up for the confirmation. Maybe I'll drop it for you guys before we call it a day. Yeah, I'm looking out to buy, what's it called? There's a pending order I needed to have done, but I missed it on, what's it called? On CADJPY. So I'm watching out for 1 minute entry right now. Okay, sir. So reversal is a market structure. So, sir, reversal is a market structure. Reversal. I didn't get that, Gabriel. If you can reframe that, I think would be good. But I can't get. I didn't get that. So I'm looking at CADJPY buy on a 10 pip stop loss, but I need to see that retracement. I know some of you don't mind jumping in, but I don't jump in. I trade my rules. Okay, I trade my rules. For those that bought the order flow course, you would have seen the rules there. But right now I'm trading, I'm expecting a reversal. Let me drop this in the Discord group for the community. So this should be a 6 pip stop loss, but because this should be a 6 pip stop loss, if you plus it, that's about 10 pips, but let's just do 12, between 10 and 12 pips. That's risk. So if you can get a retracement back down, it will make sense for CADJPY. So I'm joining the CADJPY for a 1 to, because JPY is still weak, guys. JPY is still weak, and if it's weak, there's nothing we can do. But this 1 minute chart entry, CADJPY, 1 minute entry. So if it comes back, we'll be glad to go in. I'm risking some money there. I always use my calculator. That's what was taking my time. Always use your calculator. No matter how much you feel like trading, always use your calculator. So let's go to gold. Let me drop this also on the free group for you guys. Are you happy about that? Calculator, you know I will not be happy. Always use calculator. Always use calculator. It saves you well. So that if it goes against you, you are not angry. CADJPY 1 minute chart. 1 minute entry. Okay, I think good. Good. Then, okay, Gabriel says, by reversal, you mean a market structure reversal on a higher time frame. That's it. That's it. Please, can AUD USD sell to 0.5568 using monthly time frame? Can it sell to it? Ah, you are making me. That question is making me look like a guru. That question is making me look like I'm the owner of the market. But you guys know I'm a probability trader. I don't predict. I don't predict. So to answer that question, let's see. So I'm not sure it will get there. I'm not sure it will get there. But it has the capacity to come to even 56. Yes. I've analyzed it with the people in the group. It can come as far as 5,200. Yeah. That's for AU. AU can come as far as 5,200. It can come as far as that. Okay? Can come as far as that. Olukoni, can we enter? Can we enter CADJPY buy now? Now, if you enter CADJPY buy now, your stop loss will be wider. Your stop loss, if you enter now, will be around 25 pips. Okay? So if you enter now, will be around that place. But if you go in by what I've sent to you on 1 minute chart, it will trigger and come. As a matter of fact, it has triggered me now. That first entry I gave you guys, it has triggered me on that entry. So you see why you have to save. You have to master. You have to master entry. That's triggered me now. That's triggered me. My positions are triggered now on my 1 minute entry. So, but if I had gone in on instant, he would have told me that my stop loss would be 25 pips. 25 pips is not bad as entry, but when you understand market structure, like I do tell you, what's his name? Market is fractal. It means that it will always repeat itself. What is happening on 1 minute is happening on 30 minutes. So when I saw that framework, I will always wait for reversal. But Victor, you're on the order flow now. You know that it will come back to the 1 minute order block. You know now. So buying now doesn't make sense. But pending order, guys, I've entered with pending order and it has triggered me. So two things will happen. Either I lose money or I lose my expected stop loss. I lose my expected calculated risk. So let's go to gold and analyze gold. I gave you gold last week. How many of you picked gold last week? Tell me, how many of you picked gold last week? I gave you guys gold last week. How many of you took gold last week? Nobody. Gold last week has done more than let me see. So let's analyze gold. Yeah, Lenina said yes. Fantastic. I know they near gold. Amusan. Ah, I can imagine. Let's go to gold. Where's gold? Gold, where are you? Come out. So I spoke about gold. This was the entry I gave you guys gold last week. That's given over over 550 pips. That's good. That's not a bad trade. So if I want to do anything on gold right now, I'll wait to buy gold at 1924.50. That's the only place I'll buy gold. Don't do pending order. Wait for your confirmation. Either engulfing, either any confirmation, chart pattern, all those things you have learned as entry. Come and look for it in this place, please. If you are not in my premium group and you come and do pending order here, you're on your own. This is 78 pips. I can't. I don't trade such. So I will allow this guy to retrace back before I'll talk about buying and selling. But sir, he's trying to buy to the top. I don't trade. I don't buy at lower low. I don't buy at lower low. The only time I buy on lower low is when the chart is on monthly. If I'm trading monthly zone or weekly zone, I don't do buy low on this. This is 2 hours or one hour now. I won't try it. Oh, but this is engulfing. Is higher low. Is lower low. I can't buy that. It's gold clear, guys. So I'll drop this analysis for you guys. So you would wait for your confirmation there. Wait for your confirmation around there. Is that clear? So let me drop gold for you guys on the group. Gold. Please, no pending order. If you go against the rule, you're on your own. So you need to have your entry. This is the same thing I draw for you guys last week. Just wait for the reversal before you enter. No feeling, please. No feeling. I feel like entry. There's no feeling. I trade what you see, not what you want. Okay? So I've dropped gold for you on the free Telegram group. Okay? I know they near gold. Great catch, Mr. Mayowa. Yeah. Mr. Mayowa has said his own. Don't place pending order. Wait for your confirmation. Okay, my son. Okay, guys, are we good? Is it making sense? Is gold clear? For those of you that entered CADJPY, you should be in profit now. Anybody entered CADJPY? Jesus. I'm in profit right now. Using the 1 minute entry, I'm in profit right now. Gold is clear. So let's do 2 more. How many of you have bought my book on 7 battles? Omoike says, sir, you are no more using Facebook page. Yeah, really? Oh, I'm using the company page. Yes, I'm using I'm using the company page. Okay, I'll tell my team to move company page. Yeah, go and follow us on our company page, Owolabi Consulting. So I use YouTube, Owolabi TV, Facebook, and the company page. That's what we use now. You're right, Omoike. CADJPY says, what people says CADJPY target. Yeah, good. Yeah. So CADJPY, why are we buying CADJPY? Number one, CAD is strong. Number two, is in a session. Number three, the institutions are buying it. So I just trade in alignment with it. And because it's on that zone, all I just need to do is once I'm in profit, I make sure I take profit. I don't trade don't trade and say it will go up. No, take profit. Once it gives you 1 to 5, take profit. 1 to 10, take profit. Then the last one, which is the extension of the move. Okay, the extension of the move. Wow, CADJPY is blowing up. CADJPY is blowing up, guys. CADJPY is blowing up. Wow, crazy. That's amazing, guys. Wow. The guy is just pushing up. Wow. So imagine you did not manage this well. You now went to put tight stop loss because of 5 pips. You're on your own. You're on your own. You have to always put some room, some space beneath it so that you can enjoy that. And if you go to the 2 hours zone, 2 hours is telling us that this guy will buy. So this will be my major exits. I can hold it there, then I'll leave the rest to keep going on. And from there, that's about 1 to 11, which is not bad. It's not a bad transaction at all for CADJPY. Okay, so somebody's saying EU, please. EU. So let's check EU. EU, where are you? EU is selling. There's nothing we can do about that. It's on a retracement back up. The data need to change for us to it's on a monthly rejection right now. So EU need to sell. EU need to sell. So these are, I've always told you, when the market comes, always wait for impulse. So we have the impulse and we have a retracement back up. So this is the impulse that dropped. This is the retracement. So we're expecting continuation. I spoke about this trade in the group, but in our paid group. But personally, I didn't enter it because the stop loss was wide. So when it came back for retracement, I was not on my system. And, I don't have MT4 on my phone. I don't trade from my phone. I only trade from my laptop, which has its own disadvantage. It has its own disadvantage. Yes, I analyze on my phone. I have trading view on my phone, but I don't have MT4 on my phone. So I don't trade on my phone. If you understand your personality, you trade what works for you. Okay, so for me, Euro USD is selling. I think Euro USD should sell till an average of 1.07. That's about 200 pips. Euro USD should sell more. Is that clear, guys? So monthly is on a rejection zone. So if monthly is rejecting, all we need to come and do is to trade in alignment with monthly time frame. And if you are trading in alignment with monthly time frame, if monthly is selling, Euro 2 will be selling. But if you go by COT report, Euro is still strong, basically. Euro is strong. So whenever you are using the COT report, you must use it with your strategy and basically market structure. You'll be good to go. Is Euro USD clear? So we are selling Euro USD. Okay, so Ibokun says, you said we should not get in yet, but it blew up. Can JPY entry price? Any JPY entry price? No, I did not say, hey, I did not say you should not enter. I said that you should use the 1 minute pending order. 1 minute. That's what I sent to the group. I did not say you should not enter. Why? And doing the 1 minute, you are an elder now. You should not be asking what you are saying now. It means that you don't understand what I have in the course for you people. When there is a retracement, when there is a an order block in the direction of the order flow, what you do is to do your 1 minute confirmation. I never said you should not enter. You are an elder now. You should not be talking like people that don't know what we are talking about. GU also. Is that CADJPY on M1 time frame? Do you mean 1 minute? M1 is 1 minute, I guess, for you. So I've worked on gold. Gold is selling. My bias for gold is sell. My bias for gold is sell. My bias for euro is sell. Okay. Then I drop CADJPY for you guys. So even if you did not use 1 hour, 1 minute entry for the buy, any level you are done in should be around 20-25 pips, which is not bad. That's not bad. Okpemiko says better join the group. No, it's not a must. I don't expect everybody to join the group. You know, sometimes when people tell you to join a group, it always look as if the person wants to use your money to eat. But when you lose where you will come. Some of you, maybe it's next year, you will join my mentorship. Some of you is after 2 years. Some of you is after 5 years. When you calculate all your losses, and then you now say, at this point, I'm not going further again. I need somebody to help me. Because a lot of time, some of you, what you need is just discipline. And because of your trading style, your discipline you need an accountability partner. And that's part of the things I said in the group. It's not about, some of you, your strategies are fantastic. Some of you is just psychology. Some of you is just discipline. And some of these things, you need to learn it through accountability, through reporting to someone, So that's what will help. So so it's not a must. It's not a must. It's just that you just don't want to keep losing money. You just don't want to keep. Good afternoon, sir. Very funny. I can relate. Yes. I always told you my story now. My first 4 years, 2008 to 2008 to 2013, 2014. Very horrible. I only withdrew profit once. Yes, I only withdrew maybe once or twice. No, I withdrew profit, but it didn't cover up for what I've lost. But I remember that my first profit withdrawal was after 2 years, 2011. Yeah. So please show us what made you to take the trade. Ikechi Nwango. If I show you what makes you to take the trade, that does not mean it will work when you trade it now. Hmm? Because you must understand the roots. And I can't teach you the root here. Hmm? But the main reason why I picked that trade was this other block. This is the reason I picked that trade. This other block. And from my analysis, CAD is strong, JPY is weak, so I'm trading with the order flow. Yesterday there was a yes. So when I checked, I did that for you. The index is buying, JPY is weak, so I just trade with the order flow. So if I tell you that, that's why if I don't tell you the root, you might not get it, because it's not every other block that is tradable. For example, this is a other block here now, but it did not hold. This is another block here, it didn't hold. This is another block here, it didn't hold. This is another block here, it held. So why did this one hold? Why did this one not hold? It is because of what we call unfilled orders. Unfilled orders. Unfilled orders. Unfilled orders is what makes retail traders to look as if they don't know it. Unfilled orders is what makes retail traders to look as if they don't know what they are doing. And it's simple, because when all the chart pattern, order flow, order block strategy, all those Ichimoku, all those things, all those strategies that are outside there, SMC, everything, what makes it look as if your strategy is not working is unfilled orders. And unfilled orders are the orders that are yet to be triggered, that the institutions have placed in there as pending orders. So if there are no orders to change the direction, so if you are now angry that the strategy is not working, it means that you don't understand what Forex is. Those of you that have watched my private training that I gave you guys for free, you guys have educated you that. When I told you guys last time, I spoke about some deep stuff about Forex. And by the way, there's another one next tomorrow. Don't miss it for any reason. I'll be sharing about 5 entry strategies. 5 entry strategies. Don't miss it. If time permits me, I'll share 5. But I have 5 that I've listed out that I want to share with you. And I want to take a lot of questions. And by the way, we'll also be giving an amazing discount that I rarely give in a year. So if you have been looking at ways to join the community and it's expensive for you, on Friday there will be an amazing discount because of our Muslim brothers that we are celebrating. So giving a very huge discount this Friday. You know, I'm at home today, so my children are coming to the studio back and forth. It's because of them I'm working. So the event is tomorrow. No, sorry. The event is on Friday. Make sure you are in the Telegram group. The Zoom link will be there. Free Forex webinar, secret how I pick high probability trades. So we'll be talking about entry strategies. It's 7 p.m. on Friday. Okay. We'll be giving a massive discount. But you guys know when I give discounts, you have to pay that day. So If I'm giving a heavy discount, you must make sure you are paying that day. So don't miss it for any reason. And a lot of you are yet to watch my, go and buy the book. Go and buy the book. God. Sir, good day. It's like you once attended Traders Gist. Yeah, I think I've been invited once to speak at Traders Gist. If you have not bought my book on 7 battles, you are missing out. You're missing out. A lot of feedbacks. People said that that book has changed them. Read that book. It will help you forever. It will help you forever. It will help you forever. So Pemipo says, Mr. Mayowa, do you trade synthetic index? If not, why? No, I don't. Not because I don't want to trade it. So I trade synthetic, but not actively. But I've not finished trading Forex now. I've not finished trading Forex. I've not finished trading crypto. And it's the same thing, the same rule. I don't trade on lower time frame, I only trade on higher time frame. When the market gets there, I trade my confirmation. When I go in on my confirmation, I hit it and I'm done. So the same thing. I trade the same rule on all my ITC strategy works on every chart. Alechi says, good day, sir. Please, what book are you referring to? I'm referring to the 7 battles. I'm referring to the 7 battles. 7 battles every trader must fight and win. Some of you, this is the book you need that will set you free. I listed all the battles in this book. It's $5, is 5,000 naira. That's the discount we are giving currently. And once it goes back to 10,000, don't ask me. It's at the moment $7. I think it's 5,000 naira right now. So we take it back to 10,000 naira. But right now, you get it for 5,000 naira. Some of you, you have $2,000 in your account. You are losing it. You can't buy a book that will reset your brain. You have $500 on your account. You can't buy $500 book, 5,000 naira book that will reset your trading. I don't understand though. It's printed. We have e-copy. We have printed copy. That's it, Aleche. Or you reach out to the number scrolling on the screen. That's happened to me before. I was funding account and I was losing. If I put together everything I lost in 4 years plus, and I have used it to buy wrong crosses, and I'm watching those training, I would have been better. Fail 20 prop firms and can't buy a book. Yes, now they play. You fail 20 prop firm and can't buy a book. Yes, now somebody chatted me up. Yes, he was telling me. Imagine he has about $200 in his account, and he said, "How can he grow it?" I said, "You go and use the $200 to grow your brain, your learning first. When you grow that one first, then money will come. It's clarity, mastery, utility. Clarity, what you need to be trading. Mastery." So just pay for the knowledge. I've told you my story. I bought 2 expensive courses and I didn't finish it. That's one of the reasons I told everyone in my community to go and start all the videos again, all my training videos. And I've told the admin of the company, I said, every month, people must watch that video once again. It refreshes you. Okpemikpo says GBPUSD on mark. You just want to trade. What do you want me to say in GBPUSD? What do you want me to say? EU is selling. AU is selling. Do you want me to say something else that is different? Yeah, let's go. Let's go there. There's nothing different now. Where's GU now? Come on. GU is selling like Popo. He will sell now. He will sell. He will sell. He will sell. He will sell. He will sell because there have to be a retracement. There have to be a retracement. See, high, low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So there have to be a retracement. So GU have to sell to a higher low. And the higher low, they could be this zone or this zone or this other block that broke this. Oh, sir, but which one is more powerful? All of them are powerful. It's the one that has the unfilled others more that can change it. So, and he will retrace it back. Okay, so that's why the order flow, that's the COT report is telling you buy, but you're seeing sell here, is because of market structure. So that is why you always use COT with the trend. Don't use COT without trend. Use COT with the trend. Never use COT without trend. Once you are using COT without trend, you're on your own. So it's sell. Does that make sense, guys? Have I helped? Have I helped you today? Adeolu says, which time frame can we use to balance COT report? Monthly time frame. Monthly time frame. Monthly time frame is what you use to balance COT report. Because these guys that are giving the report to COT, they are not intraday traders. That is why when you see monthly, they give 3 to 8 candles before reversing. Sir, do you call trades at all? What do I mean? Do I call trades at all? Yes, big help, sir. Fantastic. What do I mean? Do I call trade? Do you mean do I give signals? Is that what you mean? Do I give signals? Is that what you mean? Saintes. Saintes. Is that what you mean? So I want to be short before I answer. But if you're talking about calling traits or calling signals or giving signals, yes, I give signals, but I'm not heavy at giving signals because signals didn't help me for 7 years until I got involved myself. Signal did not help me. Signal did not help me. Signal can't help because I don't know. But when you understand what you are doing, you understand the strategy, and they give you signal, you will enjoy it more. I've paid for the best of the mention. I've paid for any type of signal you want to talk about. As a matter of fact, some of those people, when they post their result like this, on my own chart, he has hit stop loss. On their own charts, they are still in profit. So those are my concerns. So that's why I don't want to build. So any proper trading school to learn. Yes, we have an academy. We have an academy where I train people for 1 year. And after 1 year, you're good. Guys, I've done more than 1 hour today. Oh yeah. Let's take any other question. I've helped you, right? Have I helped you today? Have I contributed to you today? Olufafemi, thank you so much. Please like the video, share the video, help the video to grow. That's the thing, no. That's the fee I should be charging you. Click on like. That's the fee. If you click on like, that's the fee for coming to class. Please like the video. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. So tomorrow we'll talk about cryptocurrency. A lot of people are saying Bitcoin is buying, Bitcoin is selling. It's not fair. Only 17 like. It's not fair. Oh yeah, all of you, click on like. See. It's not fair. It's not fair. Oh yeah, click on like. Let's take the like to 40. Everybody, let's click on like. Everybody. Thank you. Oh yeah. If you know if I'm contributing to your life, the best you can do is to like. Oh yeah, like. Saint, can you give directions on how to register, the cost, and yes, call the number scrolling on the screen. Sainty, call the number scrolling on the screen. +2349049990004. The admin will attend to you immediately. She'll give you all the details. Oh yeah, like. Let's go. If you did not like, I'll not. Yeah, let's take it to 40. He's improving. Thank you. Okay, Mr. Mayowa, you have contributed. We thank God. Alex says, you have contributed. Fantastic. Okpemiko says, sir, I have a question. Mr. Mayowa, I have one question. I need 2 of your best trades from last year, not including NCHEF. AUD too. I took AUD chef, NCHEF, GBP USD, GBPCAD, and GBP chef. That was a 5. We had 6 best trade last year. I don't know why you want to use that one, but you want to go and back test it out. Okay. Why am I only is not one person on this video, and question is coming from different angles. Where are they coming from? Oh, it's from YouTube. It's from YouTube. I think you are watching from Facebook. Go to my YouTube channel, my Owolabi TV. That's why it's looking like that. Yeah, so go to YouTube, Gerard. and we'll be good to go. So, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll talk about cryptocurrency tomorrow. My bias is that Bitcoin will sell, Ethereum will sell from the current zone, and when after that sell, then we can now do business. That's that. Then on Friday we will have a study. We'll have a group. We'll have a private group session with you guys. Make sure you're on the Telegram group. Make sure you're on the Telegram group. And if you're interested in joining our community, reach out to the number scrolling on the screen. And like I said, there'll be a heavy discount on Friday because of the celebration. So make sure you're there on Friday. And on Friday, I said we're going to be treating entry strategies, high probability trade, how I pick them. Very, very important. Okay? Thank you so much. Have a great, great, great evening. My name remains Owolabi. I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace out, guys.